Hypoxia occurs when there is a decrease in the concentration of dissolved oxygen in the ocean water, which results in what's known as a dead zone, or a body of water that can no longer support living organisms. This is currently the harsh reality of the Gulf of Mexico, which is now experiencing one of the worst hypoxic episodes in all of the world due to excess nutrients flowing in from the Mississippi River. This region is particularly vulnerable because of the Mississippi River emptying out at this location, which in recent years has had increased levels of nitrogen and phosphorus from fertilizers and CO2 emissions. These excessive nutrients can cause algae to build up in the Gulf, and once the algae grow and die and the zooplankton feed on their remains, the remaining bacteria cause all other life forms to evacuate the area, causing the infamous dead zone to form. Environmental changes include a severe depletion of fish in this area, along with an overgrowth of phytoplankton and algae. Those organisms which are able to swim away will find less toxic waters. However, for those that are immobile, they will experience great stress and die due to less oxygen availability. Communities will also be impacted by the hypoxia, because with no fish in the Gulf, many fishermen will be out of a job. Once this happens, the price of fish will skyrocket for shipping costs from other regions, which will have a negative effect on not only fishermen, but the entire community. The most effective solution to this problem would be to minimize the amount of fertilizers that are able to get into the Mississippi River, as well as cutting back on carbon emissions and choosing eco-friendly alternatives. Many fertilizers are horrible for the environment, and when they get into the oceans and river basins via surface runoff, their effects can be catastrophic. By reducing the amount of fertilizer use in the surrounding areas and keeping the public well informed on the issues surrounding hypoxia, hopefully the Gulf of Mexico is able to restabilize itself and fish will return to it.